magical numbers, and we are with narcissistic numbers this time. If I talk about the discovery related to narcissistic numbers, there are many different narcissistic numbers in different base systems. Like our base system is decimal base system, with which we are very much familiar. So if I take base 10, that is decimal number system, 89 narcissistic numbers have been found till date, and the largest narcissistic number is of 39 digits. Now, let me introduce what are narcissistic numbers actually. Suppose we have a k-digit number, and I'm writing down all the digits like D1, D2, D3 till DK. This is a k-digit number where D1 may stand for some digits from 1 to 9, D2, D3 likewise. So this is a k-digit number. Let me write it down for you. It is a k-digit number. Now, if this number can be written as D1 to the power k plus D2 to the power k till dk to the power k, then this becomes a special magical number, and we call it narcissistic number. As said, in base system 10 there are 89 narcissistic numbers. It now all depend upon you how much you want to explore, but at least you can remember few which I would be sharing now. Like how to read this first of all. 153 is a 3-digit number. Let me calculate 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 125, and 3 cube is 27. If I add them up, I'll get back 153. 153 is the narcissistic number. 3 digits narcissistic number. Few examples to quote are 153, 370, 371, 407. 4-digit narcissistic number, that is 1634. 1634 is a 4-digit number. That means we should be raising all the digits to power 4. It's 1634. You can remember, you can learn, you can by heart these examples at least. Let us take an example in base system 3. In base system 3, we have acute narcissistic number, that is 22. So if I write 22 in base system 3, let me check. This is a 2-digit number, so this should be 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4. But oops, this is 8. It doesn't look like 22. But I'll tell you, it will look like 22. This is in base system 10. Now let me convert this 8 into base system 3. If I divide 8 by 3, it will go 2 times and remainder is 2. Now I can't divide 2 furthermore, so it becomes what? 22. That means 8 in number system 10 is nothing but 22 in number system 3. Let me take up one more example. In base system 3 itself, we have one more narcissistic number of 3 digits. That is 122 in base system 3. So let us calculate. This is a 3-digit number, correct? So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 2 cube. Let me see what we get. 1 plus 8 plus 8, that is 17. But as said, this is in base system 10. Let us convert 17 in base system 3. 17 divided by 3 5 times, remainder is 2. Wait, now 5 when divided by 3, it will go 1 time and remainder is 2 again. So as we count on the remainders, we get 1, 2, 2. That means 17 in base system 10 can be written as 1, 2, 2 in base system 3. There is so much to explore regarding narcissistic number and magical numbers It all depends upon you how much you want to explore now. Thank you for hearing me out. I'll see you soon.